Hey everybody, this is Porter coming back to you. Look, I know it's been a while. It's been, what, maybe a month or maybe a little longer than that since I last did a YouTube video. I know I've been doing some things on Instagram, some pictures, some progress pictures and stuff, but I've started the heads, cam, and intake swap, GT40 Intake P Heads, and I got a trick flow cam installed in here too. I got it installed and actually, I got it kind of cleaned up. What's kind of nice, and um, I wasn't expecting this, there's like no ridge on the cylinders, and the crosshatch actually looks incredibly well. This thing's got about 150,000 miles on it. And at least on the inside of the motor, you wouldn't really honestly tell. But I'm at a point now where I've discovered I knew these were a problem. These are the lower shock tower uh, pieces where the K-member mounts to. I knew this issue was here, but I didn't realize how bad it was. Um, and it's on both sides. Luckily, the frame rails on both sides actually look pretty good. I mean, I can't really complain about those too much. I'm sure they probably need a little cleaning up, but it's not rusted through like those shock towers kind of are starting to get. So the dilemma I have now, and I think what I'm going to end up doing is actually I need to pull the motor and all that stuff to fix those. I need to pull the K member as well. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start reassembling. Putting the heads on and the intake and stuff like that. That way, I have something to grab onto with the cherry picker and that. So I'm going to, like I said, reassemble. That way I have something to grab it. And then what I'm going to do is pull wheels, pull K-member. That way I can get up there. I think it's Scott Rod Fabrication, if I remember right, has little kits. They're like $100 a side. That comes with a lot of the sheet metal and the slugs that you'll need to do the where the bolts for the K-member go up and through. So I'm probably going to end up getting those just to kind of make some of the fabrication a little bit easier. $100 a side really isn't too bad considering the fact that they've probably been test fitted and have pretty much exactly what you're going to need to get it done and get it done right. Um, but that's kind of the update that I have for now. I guess I'll just keep on trucking and I'll try and do some more more consistent updates wherever I can. But as always, I appreciate everyone that watches these videos. I know they might not always be the most popular or anything like that, but if you like the videos, feel free to leave a like and maybe subscribe too. It might help me motivate a little bit just to kind of keep going and keep posting these videos. But as always, thanks again. Everybody have a great day. Hope everyone had a good holiday and a good new year. Take care, everybody, and we'll see you in the next one.